In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wii controller to Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to have up to 4 Wii remotes connected to the same Nintendo Wii console. Doing this is extremely simple. It is going to work not only for the standard Wii remote models, but also any other different controller that you might have. So first, prepare your Wii remote. Open the battery cover on the back, and first, make sure that you have sufficient batteries. Usually, this will be done by inserting 2 AA batteries. Make sure that they are inserted correctly according to the diagram inside of the battery compartment. In there, you will also find the sync button, which is very important. So now, all that you have to do is synchronize the Wii remote by pressing and holding the red sync button on the battery slot. Once you press and hold the synchronize button, you will be able to open the SD card slot on the front cover of your Wii console, and you will find an exact same button. So all that you have to do is press the button on the Wii and the Wii remote at the same time. Once you press and hold the synchronize button on both the console and the Wii remote that you want to connect at the same time, they will pair themselves up, and you should see a light up on the Wii remote. Now you can once again cover the battery slot and close down the SD card slot cover on the front of your Wii console. They will be connected, and you will now be able to use the Wii remote. Like I said, you can connect up to 4, so if you want, you just have to repeat the same steps until you have all 4 Wii remotes connected. You will be able to assign 1 to each player, and once you go inside of a game that supports co-op or up to 4 players multiplayer, you will be able to select all of them. It is simple to set up, and you just have to ensure that the batteries are fresh and that you have sufficient power and that you are in close proximity of the Wii. Make sure that you aren't obstructing the view, and they should work alongside the sensor bar. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Wii controller to Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.